डॉक्युमेंट्स आहा जाल्यार आमकां बूक करपाचें डायरेक्ट बिकॉज कोणाचे एका मनशाचे लागून दुसऱ्या मनशांक घालूंक उपकारना त्रासान. ओके, सो दीस इज ओन्ली आय मेट द आय हॅव टोल्ड हिम माय सी आय हॅव गिवन सगळीं रेजोल्युशनां काडलें पळय हांवें ह्याची वर्साची. सो देर आर नो रेजोल्युशन. सो द ओनर्स lies on the Sarpanch of Santa Cruz, who has taken the personal call to allot the place for dumping of the dead. That's all.
होय, पयलीं सद्याक तुमी म्हणलें तूं आख्खे 12 जाणांक 11 जाणांक तुमी समन केलां. तुमी तेजेर वी म्हण तेणें घातलें, वी हॅव ऑर्डर्ड फॉर दीस. So you are saying that the Sarpanch had given a incorrect document to the submitted incorrect document to TCP?
To the 4 department, deputy town planner, member secretary. So we means who? I have told the IO to investigate who are those we. Means there is no record in the आमच्या meeting in the record ना. तो we कोण? Staff, पंचायतीचो स्टाफ. तो कोण? पंचायतीची फॅमिली कोण ती ते फायंड आउट करूंक जाय न्हू इन्वेस्टिगेशन. एंड यू डोंट रिक्वायर टू वॉच जेम्स बॉन्ड मुवीज टू द इन्वेस्टिगेशन सच अ स्मॉल थिंग. A simple an uneducated person also will say, Baba, if a resolution then I become a part. When I am not there, when the matter is not discussed, Sarpanch कितें बरयतलो, so I become a part of it. I am not a part of it, no. So I have informed the EO, and if they rectify and they said they will ask for everything and they will do whatever is required. So I told him, then I have other modes to go further.
No, have you complained about this letter to any department because it was misrepresented? तुजें नांव येयलें खंय तरी तुका
म्हाका ही आतां जेनवरीनूच नोटीस येयला न्हू, सो म्हाका 1 म्हयनो लागलो ही सगळीं लेटरां काडपाक. Now complaining to other department makes worse sense. It is a criminal complaint. I have to defend myself criminally, no. They will defend whatever. I have to defend I know that I have to defend myself, so I have removed everything. So I don't want to defend. Let them defend themselves.
Okay, related to the same case, तुमची खजानाचे कोर्टान हाडली ती कितें जालें?
पळय, खजानाची कोर्टान हाडली, आमच्या पंचायतीन व्हडलो लॉयर काडला आनी पंचायतीक गरज आहा सांगपाची लोकांक तो मॅटर खूंय जाला. वॉट इज द स्टँडींग ऑफ दॅट मॅटर? No one is बेश्टे कितें सांगता उपकार ना, फोटी मार उपकार ना.
Can you give us a clarification?
See, as per I will send you an order of the High Court. You see, I think submission is made in the High Court by our lawyer stating that there is some mistake in that plan of, and it is defined as Khazan land, and that we are going to verify, remove, rectify, and High Court has asked us, told us not to do anything till the rectification is done.
So the Panchayat Ghar is on hold.
It is on hold as per the order I read. Okay, so I am not commenting. I am only on this criminal case. They are looking after administration. They have to rectify. Let them do anything.
पुढे कितें सांगलां गमनी कमी
तेणें सांगलें ना, आपूण पंचायती कांय सांगलें ना कितें माग पंचायती कडेन. ते पंचायती या जाल्यार कर आमकां एक्यूज. आनी जेन्ना ना जाल्यार हांवें सांगलें ना ते कडेन की बाबा आमकां आमी जेन्ना रेजोल्युशन घेयना जाल्यार आमी तितून पार्टी जायना न्हू. तो एक्यूज कोण आनी कंप्लेनंटानूय जे टावन लँड प्लॅनिंगान ओल्ड गोवा पुलिशेक कंप्लेंट बरयला. अ पर्टिक्युलर नेम इज पुट, नो, अ नेम इज पुट, and you investigate that name, and that name gives you, because that same name has written a letter that I have identified, we have identified. We con, who are we? We, whole village has identified all the people of
unprofessional.
But you used to say that you wanted Panchayat Ghar there.
101%. I was the person in my manifesto of my ward had written that we will bring Panchayat Ghar, and we were very close.
On that place?
On that place, we were very close to that place. But what happens? Then the power matyak magta न्हू, आणि when you think that you are only one who can do it, अरे हिंगा MLA घेवंक जाय, हिंगा गव्हर्मेंटाक घेवंक जाय, हिंगा सगळ्यांक घेवन चलोंक जाय न्हू, एक्टिविस्टांक घेवन चलोंक जाय, गांवच्या लोकांक घेवन चलोंक जाय. सी, when you take all of them together, things work out. तुका दिसता आपूण कोत्तलो आनी आपणाचो नांव जातलें, हें केन्ना जावपाचें आनी केन्ना जावचें ना. हिस्ट्री बरोया आनी पळोवया. Look, go back in history. One man show solved na hinga.
But your thing standing the same. You want Panchayat Ghar there.
I was the person
Khazan land.
I was the person after 20 years of acquisition where dust हाताली तेका ती फायल हांवें वयर काडल्या. सगळें हांवें कॉमेस केलेलें तें. But I am not taking the credit. Now, see, my way is simple. I don't want to give big show to you all. Perform. Don't tell why it is stuck, how it is stuck. You have capacity, you get it done. You don't have capacity, step down, go home. Finish.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Argument.